Mastering active voice, a key to dynamic writing. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we are going to delve into the realm of active voice in informal writing. It is one of the crucial elements that makes your writing vibrant, clear, and engaging. Are you ready to get started? Let's go! In the world of grammar, active voice is when the subject of the sentence performs the action. It's a direct and straightforward way of writing. In informal writing, using the active voice helps to create a conversational, engaging style. It makes your writing clear and your message easier to understand. An easy way to identify active voice is to check if the subject of the sentence comes before the verb and is the one doing the action. In simple terms, subject plus verb plus object. Now, let's look at some examples of sentences in active voice. Keep an eye on how the subject takes center stage in these sentences. 1. I cook dinner every night. In this sentence, I is the subject, cook is the verb, and dinner is the object. 2. The dog chases its tail. Here, the dog is the subject, chases is the verb, and its tail is the object. 3. Mary painted a beautiful mural. Mary is the subject, painted is the verb, and a beautiful mural is the object. By using active voice, you're making your writing more dynamic and engaging. It also helps your readers to easily understand the action and who is doing it, making your message clear and effective. Not only this, active voice often requires fewer words, making your writing concise and to the point, which is much appreciated in informal contexts. And that's a wrap on today's lesson on the active voice. By mastering this simple but effective tool, you can make your informal writing more lively and engaging. Remember, the key is subject plus verb plus object. Keep practicing, and soon it will become second nature. See you in our next lesson. Happy writing!